Next thing, multiple exam preparation. How to prepare for multiple exams simultaneously. So let me take an example. SSC JEE notification came out. So many people were preparing for GATE as well as SSC JEE simultaneously. So what is the difference, my friend? What is the difference? The main difference is of one or two subject, like utilization will be extra, okay, and in the common subject the syllabus is almost same, but the level of question will change. Like in GATE, a in-depth question will be asked, okay, but in ESE or in SSC JEE, a question will be very simple, but more number of questions will be asked. So what I will say is, for cracking multiple exam, first work on concepts. Work on concepts. If your concepts are solid, then you can crack any level of question, whether it may be a theory question, it may be a numerical problem, but yes, you can crack any sort of a question. Now, when you are practicing, work on all the exams. That is, the questions that you are practicing shall be mixed. Suppose I am preparing for GATE and SSC JEE, suppose. So I'll take some problems every day from the GATE previous year, some problems every day from the SSC previous year. That will let me have a mixed set of problems, and I can do very much better as compared to just focusing on the problems from the single exam. ठीक है ना? अलग अलग पेपर से क्वेश्चन ले लो. जैसे let me take an example. Suppose you have prepared, let us say, network theorem. So you take 10 questions from GATE, 10 from SSC, 10 from ESE. So that gives you a fair idea. When you solve 30 questions in a day, what kind of questions are asked in each kind of examination. Network theorems will remain same, but what will change is the pattern of asking the question. So my friend, if you want to crack multiple exams in a single year, then you need to have a strategy. You need to have time allotment where you can dedicate time for different type of question in a single day. And that is easiest for droppers, my friend, as compared to any other student. Okay. Now, what is this exam temperament? My friend, by giving multiple exams, you also build up exam temperament. That is, if I say attempt test series, you will do better in GATE. That does not happen like that. Because when you are attempting test series, then you are not at risk of losing something. But suppose you are sitting in SSC JEE, you know that after cracking this exam, I'll get a job. If I don't do well, I lose this chance. So something is at stake, my friend. Something is at stake. When something is at stake, you actually feel the exam pressure. And if you can stay calm during that pressure, if you can hold yourself together, then definitely you will be able to do very well in the examination. So that is why I say, if the center is not too far away, then you need to appear for as many exams as possible so that you get to know how it feels to be sitting in a examination hall. Is that clear, my friend? So there are two benefits. You might get a job, and even if you don't get a job, you will build this exam temperament. Okay. Is that clear? Now, PKD is asking how to approach a question. So PKD, yesterday I took a session in Unacademy event where I clearly told what is the right approach to solve a question. That is, let me give you some highlights. First, read the question carefully, then note down the data that is given. And in your solution, you never put in the values. You just write the formulas. Okay, you just write the formulas. The value should be substituted in the calculator, and before pressing the equal to sign, you need to verify the values that you have put in your calculator.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
a challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.